We've been in business since the early 40s. My grandfather started the business in Detroit. What sets us aside is our small batches and our creamy fudge. And then we have an exacting temperature that we cook it to. We divide a degree up into thirds. So it's very important where you shut it off. You cook it too high, it's hard, too low, won't set up. So it's a little bit of a science that goes into it. We came up here in '45, we called it Mackinac Island Fudge, and then we weren't on Mackinac Island, so we decided to rent a storefront in 1960 and move up here. We rented a storefront, lived above it, and started making fudge, opening different stores, buying different things, and kind of simulating ourselves to Mackinac Island.
Welcome to the harbor at Mackinac Island.
Well, I've been making fudge since I was 11 years old. Started at the Detroit Auto Show when I was 11. It's a unique way to grow up. You always had money because you always was working, and that was always fun. And it was a nice way to meet people too, which you have to be a people person if you're making fudge on Mackinac Island, because everybody comes in, everybody asks questions, they're always in the window, and you like to hand out samples to different people, and you can make it as fun as you want, and that's the nice part about growing up in the fudge business.